Have you ever wondered how data changes over time? Not just as numbers on a spreadsheet, but as something you can actually grow, shift, and come alive? Well, let's take a look at how I can do exactly that using RStudio, my favorite tool for telling stories with data. RStudio is like a playground for your data. It's where I can write code in the R language and create everything from simple charts to jaw-dropping animations. And today, I'm going to show you how I can animate data to make the concept of progressive change crystal clear. Let's imagine I've got a set of data points. Maybe it's the growth of a plant, the rise of a YouTube channel, or the temperature change over a year. Instead of just plotting a boring static graph, I want to how those numbers move, frame by frame, across time. So I use a package in R called Ganimate. It sounds technical, but trust me, it's like magic for visual learners. First, I import my data into RStudio. Then, using just a few lines of code, I build a dynamic plot that transforms as the data evolves. With Ganimate, each frame shows a new point in time. The data points glide smoothly across the screen, maybe changing color as they grow, or leaving trails behind to show where they've been. To make things even clearer, I add titles and labels. So if I'm showing a plant's height, the title might update: Day 1, Seedling, Day 15, Sprouting, and so on. Colors shift from green to yellow as the plant reaches maturity, making the story visually compelling. All this happens right in RStudio. I can preview the animation, tweak the speed, or adjust how dramatic those transitions feel. Once I'm happy, I export the animation as a video file. Just a few clicks and I've got a movie that tells the whole story, ready to share on YouTube or anywhere else. Why go through all this effort? Because visualizing change helps everyone, especially beginners, truly what the data means. An animated plot isn't just a pretty picture, it's a way for you to the rhythm of the data, spot trends, and get excited about what's next. So, if you're curious about RStudio, don't be afraid to dive in. With just a handful of tools, even complex concepts like progressive change become easy, and, dare I say, fun, to explore. Give it a try and turn your data into a living, breathing story.